Hello guys, this video is for the people who are starting out fresh for MIT App Inventor. So, this is basically a beginner course. This is the first video for a two-part video series. So, now let's start. Now, we are going to cover 3 of 7 topics in this video. So the 3 topics are: what is MIT App Inventor, how to log in into MIT App Inventor, and the home screen of MIT App Inventor and its components. So now let's start. 1. What is MIT App Inventor? MIT App Inventor is a visual programming environment that allows everyone to make apps for smartphones and tablets. You will code in MIT App Inventor using blocks. So, this is basically the definition of MIT App Inventor. Now, let's go to the second part. Now, how to log in into MIT App Inventor. So, now open a new window and type MIT App Inventor. Now, after doing this, you can see this. Click on this. It is loading. Now, after you have come on this page, click on the button Create Apps, and then it will take you to the login screen. After the browser has taken you to the login screen, then log in to your account. Now, it will redirect you to the main screen. Now, you can see these start your project and like these things. Now we are going to learn what are these things. Now, we will start from here. Now, when you click on start new project, this screen will pop up, and you can type any project name you want. Like if I'm making a book app, so I will type book and app. There should be no gap in between. If there is a gap, it will put the underscore between the gap. So we don't need to put a gap. And after you have put in the name, then you can click on OK. And the thing will come here, the name, and will automatically redirect you to the main screen. Now, if you want to put something to just trash like battery app, click on this, move to trash and OK. Now you would think, oh, you deleted your app. No worry. Now go to view trash, click on battery app and restore. And it will come back here, see? Now you saw like view trash, then you can see your trash. Now log into gallery and publish to gallery. This thing we will do in the next video. And now let's go to the above all of them. So these are projects. So like my projects, they are all these projects. Start new project we already learned. Now import project from AIF from a computer and import project AIF from a respiratory. So for this we need to it's basically taking an app from your OneDrive or any other storage device and then clicking on OK, and then the app will be put in here. So this is basically what importing is. And then if you click on this drawing app, and then you will click projects and see this is enabled now. So exporting is basically storing your app in your computer. So if you are like this thing, so if you go inside the project that we are going to learn in the next video, you can export the project and then you can store it in your computer. And connect, we are going to learn in the next video. Connect all of these things. Build also we are going to learn in the next video. And then here is settings. This is not so important, so it is not learn it. It's not important to learn. and then click on, if you want to have any problem, then you can click on help, and it will take you the MIT App Inventor website, and you can take help. You can even ask questions, so like library, extension, tutorials, troubleshooting, forums, etc. So guys, this much only we are going to do for this video. In the next video, we are going to learn the user interface of MIT App Inventor, designing your app, coding your app, and how to test your app in AI Companion or emulator. These things we are going to learn in the next video. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and be safe and have a nice day. Bye.